The Ministry of Public Health is ramping up efforts to keep the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases at a minimum as a fifth person tests positive.
Minister of Public Health, the Honorable VOLDA Lawrence, today confirmed that another person has tested positive for COVID-19 in Guyana, bringing the number of cases tested positive to 5. The most recent person to have tested positive is a family member of the 52-year-old woman who died from the virus last week.
We are in the process of contact tracing and quarantining the close contacts. Thankfully, our health personnel are working assiduously to contain the spread of COVID-19 and to keep the numbers down.
The Public Health Minister emphasized that the COVID-19 situation in Guyana is currently under control. She said, however, that this does not mean preventative measures and other mechanisms must be forsaken.
We can ill afford to become complacent and in some cases even nonchalant and laid back. The threat is real. It is not discriminatory, and so we must all shoulder our responsibility resolutely and be resilient in our adherence to the precautionary measures that have been established.
Minister Lawrence noted that since the first case of COVID-19 was reported in Wuhan, China, efforts were doubled to combat the virus and have since intensified. Some of the measures include the closure of schools for sanitization, closure of the main airports to international flights, implementation of a shift system for public servants, and a temporary halt of large gatherings, among other measures. For InfoHub, AYANA George.